I am so excited. This is our very first mixed media box kit, which is releasing on September the 27th, 2023. So I'm going to do an unboxing for you. This has got £49.43 worth of product in here, but for you it is just £25. So let's have a look. Oh, right, okay, so we've got a letter here which tells us that we've got exclusive product in here that's never going to be seen anywhere else. Also a video from me. Let's have a look here. Oh, sweeties, that's always a good one. And we've got a pamphlet here. I'll go through that in a minute. I want to see what we've got. Okay, so we've got an exclusive box kit only number cluster stamp. Oh, I love that. That is a fantastic stamp. That's beautiful. Then we've got another box kit exclusive, so you cannot and will not be able to buy this anywhere else. This is a letter cluster. Oh, I love that too. That's going to be brilliant. Red rubber as usual. This is our steampunk kit, so obviously with, oh, that's a huge big steampunk tag, and we've got lovely steampunk cogs in there. That's brilliant. Oh, we've got Umbrella Man, like that. We've actually got two in there, so that's on grey board. That's lovely. Nice big size. Oh, and more laser cut as well. Those are gorgeous. Two cog clusters. Oh, those are beautiful. I love the chains as well, and those can go any which way. Love that. We've got an exclusive stencil. Oh, I can see that being absolutely superb. I love every element of that. That's brilliant. And then we've got, here we go, the chain mask, which I love chains. They are beautiful. That is a superb stencil. And we also have a pack of paper as well. So this is, I'm going to open it. Sorry about the noise. Sorry, not sorry. Because, oh, these are lovely. Oh, they're all different. Love the colour palette. Oh, that's gorgeous. That is just absolutely gorgeous. Oh, there's loads more actually. Here we go. Oh, those are just beautiful. I can see those going into albums, books. Fantastic. So loads. Oh, 25 quid. There's £49.43 worth of product in here. That's nearly 50% off. That's superb value. And then the best value, I think, is in here. So I'm going to do a class for you. We will have a QR code on that letter. But you've also got the design team have done some amazing projects as well. Carolyn Lakin, all step by steps. Leslie Blameyer, Kerry Sturman, all in here, and lots of inspiration as well by all the design team, and loads of information. I love that. This is going to be so popular. The release date is September the 27th, 2023. Remember that you are getting this for £25. That's nearly 50% off. And you're getting a video class with me as well. Exclusive content. What's not to love? That is just brilliant.